Alright, here we are back. We have successfully did this in Turbo Pascal. Guess a number. Alright, so now we're going to move on to C++. I am going to use Visual Studio Community 2013 because it's awesome. So, where's this? Yeah, this is the one we want. The other one is in the wrong location. Alright. So here we are, completely blank. Nothing up my sleeve. Now C++ is going to require a bunch includes. So let's think real quick. So we need to convert a string to an integer. We need to get input from the console. We need to put stuff out of the console. We want to use strings. We want to use random. We want to convert stuff to uppercase. Okay, so let's see. So let's go ahead and let's do the old guess a number. C++. There we go. Let's include. Okay, so there's this st. Yeah, this is nice. This is from Microsoft. Oops, I don't need semicolons yet. Let's include. Okay, so we need IOStream. Right. We are going to need the string stream, right? Because we want to convert, and we're going to also need we're going to need string, of course. We're going to need that algorithm so that we can make them uppercased. We're going to need time, right? Because we want to do random. Sorry. Is that all we need? In order to determine if it's a number, we're going to need exception. We're going to need to trap that. Alright. So now we need to do our using statements. These are all going to be STDs. Sticky. Standard template. Okay. Standard. String stream. We want that. We want count, because we're going to put stuff out on the console. We want sin, because we're going to get them in. I love endl. Oops. Endl. I like, we need a string, dir. We need the transform from that algorithm. We need exception from exception. And it's not liking any of my stuff at all. Well, I don't know why. It sure does have a member stream. Maybe it needs to be saved or something. We'll figure it out. Okay. What was the first thing that we did? We did the integer. So bool is an int. We sent it a string input. Okay, so here we have to do a try with a catch of our exception. EX, oops, it's not C#, so I need that. Return false out of here, return true out of here, and we're going to say int output equals that A to I of our input. It's got to be a standard C string, and that's it. Oh, you know what? No, I don't know what's wrong. Maybe I have to save it. I don't know. Okay, we'll figure it out. All this is good stuff. What's it? We have std afx, right? That's what we want. .h. That's the thing that comes with this. We said we need. Yeah, that's stand. I don't see what's missing. I'm spelling these all right. I have semicolons at the end of everything that needs it. Okay, I don't know. I bet it's just some Microsoft BS. Alright, let's move on. This is our get numeric what do we call it? Input. We sent it a prompt. We kept it in here, so while true, we can do that here, just like we did in Pascal. We're going to print this out to the console, the prompt, with that thing that we did. And then we're going to put from the console into the string. If is and int answer, then we can return that a to I. In this case, it's answer c underscore str. Whoops, gosh, what am I doing? And then if not, let's tell them that they screwed up, right? What did we say before? We said your entry was not a number. I think that's what we said. And now here's our beautiful endl. Yay! Alright, so that's done. That's done. We need what was it? It was get input, we just called it. We sent it a question. We kept it in here while true. We put out the question with a question mark. We got the string answer stuff again. We got the sin into answer. If answer's not empty, I think it's empty. We return answer. We go out, C++ is a pretty easy language to code, I think. Your entry seems empty. Handle. I think if Microsoft, whatever's going on here with my IDE, if I can get that what? Yeah, if I can get those errors all going, we'll be all right? All right, so let's see. The next thing we did was we asked to play, so ask to play again. I've got the printout of the Pascal one here, so I can go through. Like I said at the beginning, I'm going to do it in one, right? Get it to work, and then use that to translate it to the rest. String answer will be our get input. Would you like to play again? Okay, so in C++, you have to escape these. Oops. Yes or no. Close that, close that, close that. There, that's our function. Alright, so now you have to do where we got an uppercase, right? Instead of doing by character, we can do that transform, which is in that algorithm. It takes the begin of your string, how far you want to do it, so the end of that string, where you want to put it, back to the beginning of the string, and we're going to do the toUpper function on it. There we go. Oh, that ought to work. So now if answer is yes, or answer is yes, then we can return true. If answer is no, or answer is n, return false, and otherwise we count and we say please respond with yes or no. Pop that, not that. Endl. Why am I missing my L's? That's it. Alright. Now, in Pascal, it just started the program. But I think I'm going to make a function here, a method here that will run to hold all of our stuff in. So we're going to do our random, right, which is randomize. So it's seed rand in here. We're going to use our time for randomization. We're going to put a 0 in there. We're going to do, we had running, right? We had got max number. We had our max number. We had our answer. We have our game over. It's not. We had our number of attempts. And then we put out this. Guess a number. This one is C++. Endl. Alright. While we're running, and while we don't got max number, oops, it didn't do that for me. There we go. Then max number is going to equal our get numeric input. Please enter the maximum number you wish to use. Semicolon. If our max number is greater than 0, then it's good. And we got max number equals true. We get our random answer from the system, which is rand mod your max number. That's how it works in C++. Game over is false. Our tries get initialized to 0. We print out, okay, I am thinking of a number between 1 and max number, period, end line. Alright, otherwise, we're going to tell them that they screwed up. We said the maximum number should be greater than 0. in that line. Alright, so once we got the max number, we have got to send to get numeric input a string that includes our max number. So we need to convert this to a string. So that is what we're using string stream for. We'll just call it SS. We throw our max number into that string stream, and then we can say string max number equals SS, get that string. And then we can go ahead and say our int guess is get number, numeric input. We can say guess a number between 1 and our new string max number. Okay, and now, we increment our tries, and we're going to do our checks. Okay, so if guess is greater than answer, then we're going to count too high, handle. I'm just going to copy and paste because I want to. Too low. If guess equals answer, then this is where we said game over is true. Count you got it in tries, and we'll do it a little bit differently. If tries equals 1, we'll count try bang, else we'll count tries bang, and then we'll count our inline, inline there. Alright, and I think, what do we have left to do? Let's look. We did something else. We said, we said thanks for playing or something like that, right? Oh yeah, oh, shoot. We have to ask them to play again. Okay. Man, it's getting late. Okay, so, so here we say, if our game is over, we'll set our running to be ask to play a game. And if we are running, if they say true, they say yes, then we'll set our get max number to false, and that starts everything going again. And then here's where we say thanks. So we'll say count, thanks for playing, bang, endle. I'm just going to put them all in one line. What the heck? 1, 2, 3. Game over. Endle. There we go. All right. Now this is a language that does require an entry point. So we're going to do this. I think it's argc tchar pointer arg v Microsoft. Let's call our run, and then we need to return 0 because it says everything's good. Then that's right. So let's find out what happens here, because it doesn't like a lot of crap. No. Wow. So this stuff really didn't work. Why did this stuff not work? Include. I don't know what I did wrong. It was all going so well. So let's see. Might have to crack the book. I don't know. We're at 132. Let's see. This is the stuff I didn't want to have to go through, all this crap. Precompiled headers. Let's do that. Maybe that'll help. Maybe that's the whole problem. Oh, look at that. Look at that. No. Alright, so here we go. We have something wrong here. We cannot oh. Oh, this is supposed to be a string. Alright. I didn't look at any of that. Ooh, look at that. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Alright. So that means that we should be able to run our console. So we should be able to go run command. We should be able to go to code warrior mallow. Guess a number CPP. Debug. Guess a number. Thanks for playing. Game over. Alright. What did I do wrong? Oh, running's false. What? Running's true. Yes. Oh, look, it actually worked. 0. Maximum should be greater than 0. 10. Okay, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 10. Guess number between 1 and 10. 5. Too low. 8. I got it in 2 tries. Yes, I want to try again. Let's do 100. 50. Too high. 25. I don't know how to play this game. Too high. Whoa. 10. Too low. 15. 20. 18. I got it. Alright. No. I assume it said this stuff down here. Thanks for playing. Game over. You know what? I bet I could do something to make it stop, but that's okay. Alright. So that was C++. That was a little bit easier, right? Only because it's more familiar to me. Alright, I'm going to jump into the next one, I think, just right now. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Why not? This one, well, this one's taken 23 minutes. I think I will pause and then come back.